Hi, I'm Declan, and this is how to charge your electric vehicle at home. Let's get into it. When setting up to charge your EV at home, it all comes down to speed and efficiency. Wall-mounted chargers are the most popular choice. They're fast, reliable, and packed with features. But it's also worth having a portable trickle charger on hand for those times you only have access to a standard power point. Just keep in mind that trickle chargers are much slower, so they're best kept for emergencies rather than everyday use. Make sure that whatever charger you go with, it suits your vehicle's capacity, and wall-mounted ones do need to be installed by a licensed electrician. Planning your setup is important. Think about where your EV's charging port is and position your charger close to avoid awkward cable stretches. If you don't have a garage or suitable wall space, you can install a charger on a freestanding pole instead. It's a flexible option and works well for driveways or open areas. If your switchboard is a fair distance from the charging spot, it might increase installation costs. If that's the case, seek advice from a qualified installer upfront. Now, let's talk accessories, because the right ones can really level up your setup. A cable protector is great for keeping things safe if your cable runs along the ground, while a wall-mounted or cable management system keeps everything neat and tidy. If you're charging outside, a weatherproof plug cover is a must to protect against all the elements. Security-wise, a charged cable lock gives you peace of mind, especially if you need to leave your gear unattended or live in shared spaces. And for people on the go, a cable carry case makes packing and storing your charging gear easy and organized. Even if your EV came with a cable, it's worth upgrading to one with more length or faster charging to suit your setup. And there you have it. If you like this video, make sure you check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of advice online to help you find the right product.